Hey, good morning, guys and girls. How are you doing? So today it's going to be my first video that I'll upload on YouTube, and this is our new channel, the IT Seller. In this channel, we will show you different products. We'll give you reviews, unboxing, and I'll try to do some more things. So today we are going to unbox a new HP Pavilion Ryzen 5 gaming laptop. We ordered this about 2 days back on Wednesday from Flipkart, and surprisingly we got it in a day's time. That was yesterday, and for last 12 hours this laptop was in quarantine, just to avoid any effect of COVID. All right guys, so let's see what we got in the package. Let's do the quick unboxing. Okay, here we go. Guys, make sure you got nice scissor to open this package. Be careful. Okay, it opens pretty easily. This is the Flipkart packing to get this price details. So by the way, I ordered it for 59,990, and as you know, nowadays there are very few offers that you get on laptops and other electronic devices due to some reason, some import ban, etc, etc. So I didn't get much discount on this, but since I wanted this, I ordered it. All right, so this is basic Flipkart packaging, and inside you have HP packaging. So let me get rid of this box. Okay, all right. So now here is our HP packaging. Packaging seems good. It is month and year of import is June 2020. Okay, I think you can see it. All right. Okay, and it is also saying it's imported by Reddington. Probably it's their partner in India and manufactured in China. Okay, all right, and the price that it shows MRP is 69,000 rupees. So if I look at it on the positive side, I got about 10,000 rupees discount. All right guys, okay, so let's open this. I think this is the way I have to open, this way. All right, let's cut it and open. Careful guys, new laptop. All right, let's see what we get here. Okay, here you go. So first, on right hand side you get this power cord. Looks pretty neat, and I think it's good to have. And this is Indian plug, so since I'm in India, I'm using this one. And with this I'm getting a decent looking HP charger. Shape is quite nice. All right, and this is 150 watt. Okay, and it's time to open our laptop. Okay, so these are the instructions how to set it up. So we know all the basic instructions how to set it up, but it's better to keep it handy. All right, so, and this is our laptop. It looks pretty neat. The packaging is pretty good to keep it safe. So what you get is you get laptop. Okay, you get power adapter with power cord. All right, and this is your instruction manual or the setup instruction. All right, so I think we can get rid of this all stuff. Let's keep it aside. All right guys, so I got rid of most of the stuff which was packaging, and here it is, HP written in purple. All right, and let me open this. It's pretty neat. Wow, this looks awesome. Look at this guys, and look at this keyboard. Okay, so this is backlight keyboard in purple color. Let me push it a little backwards. I hope you can see the color. All right, so these are the colors, and this has written Ryzen 5, and it has got NVIDIA Geforce GTX onboard card. And that's it, guys. I think let me power it on and let's see. But if you look at it, the shape is really nice. At one point I thought, looking at this display, I thought I'm going to order a desktop instead of a laptop, but this looks pretty neat, and it doesn't look that bulky. It is very light, about just close to 2 kgs. Let me power it on and let's see how it looks. See the magic. All right. Here is the fun, guys. This is the backlit keyboard. Looks amazing. Okay, here goes our HP laptop, Ryzen 5 gaming laptop. And this is the unboxing, guys. And we'll share a detailed review after using it for 15 days. But as I start, it boots up pretty fast. I'm going to stop this now. Enjoy unboxing. This is my first attempt, so do suggest what all I need to do, what you want to hear from us.
And I'm here to help.
Yeah, and here Cortana says, hi, I'm here.
A touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Great.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter key.
I just mute Cortana so that we can close it. So guys, this was unboxing of HP Pavilion Ryzen 5 gaming laptop. I hope you enjoy, have fun, and I'll come up with more such videos. Stay tuned. Thank you, guys. Bye bye from the IT Sailor.